Damn, the doctor just told me that I was colorblind. I wonder how that feels. Hey, look! A gray car is approaching!
That was orange. But anyways, let's get started. Hey guys, today we are going to learn about how our eyes can see colors and how the messages that you are seeing something gets transmitted to our brain. Now don't close this video because you think it's some hard science educational speech, but I'm going to make it very simple for you guys and you'll understand every bit of it. But of course, if you don't understand something, please leave a question down below in the comment section and I'll get back to you and answer your question as soon as possible. So, let's get started. The number one reason we see colors is because of the light that reflects and goes into your pupil. A pupil is a hole in your eye where light passes. The light passes through a lens which spreads the light through your receptors. The receptors are cells that pick up light waves. Now, we have two types of receptors: rods that pick up black and white colors, and cones that pick up red, blue, and green colors. Now you might be thinking, if it only picks up these three colors, how do we see colors like yellow? That's where the secondary colors come in, making magenta, cyan, and yellow. As you can see, red and blue make magenta, red and green make yellow, and green and blue make cyan. The brain can get the message that you are seeing a secondary color, but for that to happen, the two primary colors cones that make up the secondary color have to activate so the brain knows that you are receiving a light message about a secondary color. After the receptors, the retina comes in. This is basically the part of your eye that creates the image that is being displayed in front of you. Now that the images are created, the optic neurons run through the optic nerve to send the message to the brain about what you are seeing. Now back to the question presented in the act about the colorblind person. What happens when a person is colorblind? Now most people say that they can't see colors, but I'll explain why they can't. Colorblindness happens due to the damage on cone cells. Think this through. Cone cells are what detect colors in our eyes, so if we have damaged ones that don't work, how will we see colors? A lack of cone cells can also cause color blindness. This is how we see everything in the world. It all comes down to different light colors going into our eyes, hence we see different colors. I hope you learned something about how we see colors in this informational video. I would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe the video, which inspires us to make more videos like this one. I hope you guys are going to have a great day and stay safe. And Indestructa-Bye for now, and we'll see you on the next episode of The More You Know About the World.